Hey everyone, welcome to Chicken Spice Cook with Hama. Today I am making Lobia curry masala or black eyed pea curry masala. For today's recipe, I am taking 2 cups of black eyed peas and I have rinsed it and I'm soaking it in water for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. And we're going to boil it for 30-35 minutes until it becomes pretty well cooked, or if you're using a pressure cooker, pressure it for about 6 minutes. You can also use those pre-cooked canned ones out there, but some of those brand taste so nasty that I prefer to boil it from scratch at home. All you need to do is just boil it in plain water without salt. Here, my black eyed peas or lobia is pretty well cooked, and again, do not overcook it, and otherwise it's going to become a mush. Here I have about 1 small onion chopped, finely chopped, 3 medium tomatoes chopped. For spices, we need 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 10 to 12 whole black peppercorn. If you don't want to add, you can skip it. This is optional. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1.5 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala powder. We also need about 2 green chilies chopped and half a cup of green coriander or cilantro chopped. Now these 2 ingredients are optional. If you don't want to add them, don't worry about it. 3/4 cup of cooking oil. Here I have turned on my stove and I'm going to add cooking oil in my pot. Now I'm going to toss in that finely chopped onion, and we're going to fry or cook this onion until it becomes translucent. Well, not actually translucent, but very light golden brown. We're also going to add our cumin seeds at this stage. Make sure not all the spices, only cumin seeds, so it can be roast or let's say cook along or fry along onion. It's going to will take about 5 to 6 minutes until our onion becomes our desired color. There it is. As you can see, the edges of this onion have become slightly brown. And now I'm going to throw in those chopped green peppers or chilies, and I'm going to cook it for another 1 or 2 minutes. Now you can really smell the aroma of chili, cumin, and onion cooking along at this stage. Alrighty, then we're going to add chopped tomatoes along all these spices and garlic paste as well. Stir well, and we're going to cook this masala or base until the juice from tomato is pretty well absorbed. Now, a tip for you. When you're cooking this masala or base, make sure that you smash those chunks or bits of tomatoes with the help of a spoon or spatula. Because when you're eating your food, biting those big tomato chunks or bits is not a very pleasant experience. So I don't like them in my food. So I try to dissolve them as much as I can during this cooking process or frying my masala process. Here, our masala is ready. Do not overfry or overcook your gravy or your masala until it becomes dark in color, because it's going to ruin the color and taste of your dish or recipe. Now I am going to add this boiled lobia or black eyed peas, and I think this much of moisture or water is good enough. I don't need to any more right now. If I need to add a little bit, I can add a little later, because I'm going to cook it for another 10 to 15 minutes on medium low heat. Here I am going to add a little bit of julienne or slivered ginger. This is totally optional. If you don't like it, don't. Yeah, I had some frozen ones in my freezer, which I pre-chopped it earlier, so I'm adding over here. Stir it well, and I'm going to cover the lid. I'm going to let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the gravy becomes thicker. That's the purpose of cooking it for another 10 to 15 minutes. Because all spices, peas, and the masala is going to be combined very well. Alright, let's check on our lobia curry or black-eyed pea curry. There, it looks perfectly ready to me, and the amount of moisture is also looking ideal. I don't need to add any more water to it, and you can see how it has become thicker. And if you notice after cooking 10 to 15 minutes your gravy is not looking thick enough like mine does over here, you stir it like 10 to 11 times, and as you're going to stir, you're going to notice it's going to become thicker. So that's it. Our today's recipe is ready. Serve it along plain rice, naan, chapati, bread, kulcha, whichever makes you happy. And do not forget to serve it along achar or pickle. It really enhances the taste for this dish. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any questions, please reach me in the comment box.